In today's world, everything you can do in seconds with the help of exceptional technology that saves your energy and time. That is why the world has adopted advanced machines instead of manual labor. Now in this video, we'll highlight the most powerful industrial machines in the world. Let's have a look. Bobcat. This trencher from Bobcat is designed to fulfill the needs of tough trenching jobs with its amazing features. It is able to cut into the ground and create a trench through all soil conditions. The company intended this trencher to improve trench digging and provide greater reliability on the job site. This is commonly used to dig trenches for utility and irrigation systems, power and water lines, or trenches close to buildings, walls, fences, and other objects. It has an auger with a large diameter so that material is moved from the side of the trench easier, and the amount of soil falling back into the trench is limited to help remove soil from the trench and provide a clean, smooth trench bottom. It has a crumber as a standard. Then, it also has the grease cylinder tensioning responsible for the quick and easier adjustment of the train to the proper tension. The side shift feature also gives this machine attachment flexibility. This feature is very useful when working near buildings or objects so that the trencher can achieve high levels of productivity no matter what ground condition or location has to deal. With Plus, you just know that it can handle black dirt, graveler, even rocky soil types thanks to the powerful operation it could provide. Pac-Man. Pac-Man has been known to put safety of people and equipment as their top priority whenever designing or upgrading machines. Due to that, they make sure that all of their compactors comply with the French and European regulations through the APAD, which ensures technology watch and validate the solutions put in place by our design office. Their compactors aim to reduce the number of revolutions of skips by Detroit. With this, they become active agents for the reduction of CO2 emissions. As of now, they have successfully manufactured 897 compactors, but already saved up to 9,900,000 liters of gas oil per year. Indeed, an innovation not only beneficial for people, but for the environment too. Offshore drilling rigs. They play a crucial role in the extraction of oil and gas reserves from beneath the ocean floor and are designed to withstand extreme conditions and operate in deep waters, showcasing their immense power, versatility, and technical sophistication. These machines can be positioned in water and depths ranging from a few hundred meters to several kilometers. The immense weight and size of these offshore drilling rigs often exceeds. They utilize powerful drilling systems to penetrate the seabed and extract gas and oil reserves. They're equipped with massive drilling towers or derricks that house the drilling equipment, including drill strings, drill bits, and mud circulation systems. These systems can generate enormous torque and downward force to penetrate layers of rock and sediment, reaching the hydrocarbon reservoirs deep below. They can drill wells several kilometers deep, often reaching depths of over 10,000 meters. These drilling rigs are self-contained industrial complexes. They house living quarters, helipad, storage facility, and advanced systems for drilling fluid management, waste treatment, and safety. These rigs are designed to operate in remote and challenging environments for extended periods, ensuring the safety and well-being of the crew while maintaining continuous drilling. Shipbuilding cranes. The Sea Colossal cranes showcase immense strength, exceptional lifting capacities, and precise maneuverability, enabling the assembly of massive ship components and facilitating efficient shipbuilding processes. Shipping cranes are engineered to handle extremely heavy loads, often exceeding thousands of tons. The main crane hook, supported by robust wire ropes and hoisting mechanisms, can effortlessly lift and position large ship modules, prefabricated sections, and heavy equipment. The ability to handle such immense weights is critical in this industry, where the assembly of massive structures is a common practice designed to operate in challenging marine environments, including ports and shipyards. These cranes are equipped with advanced stability systems, such as outriggers or ballast systems, to counterbalance the enormous lifting forces and maintain stability during operation. This ensures the safe and precise maneuvering of heavy ship components, even in adverse weather conditions. These cranes also have exceptional reach and mobility. They can be designed with extended booms and jibs, enabling them to reach various points on the ship under construction, and that flexibility allows for efficient assembly and installation of ship modules and equipment throughout the process. The ability to extend their reach horizontally and vertically makes shipbuilding cranes versatile. Machines are capable of adapting to different shipbuilding requirements. Before going further into the topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Floating production storage and offloading FPSO vessels. Offloading FPSO vessels (PSO vessels) are undeniably one of the most powerful industrial machines in the world, laying a critical role in offshore oil and gas production. These massive floating facilities showcase exceptional engineering versatility and capacity, enabling the extraction, processing, storage, and offloading of hydrocarbons in remote and challenging marine environments. The power of FPSO vessels lies in their multifunctional capability. These vessels serve as a complete offshore production unit, housing all the necessary equipment and systems for hydrocarbon extraction and processing. FPSOs are equipped with FPSO vessels that are designed to handle vast quantities of hydrocarbons they possess. Massive storage capabilities, too often exceeding millions of barrels of oil. These vessels can store and maintain the produced hydrocarbons on board until they're offloaded onto tankers for transportation to onshore facilities. The ability to store a significant volume of oil and gas makes these vessels. Even in deep waters and harsh weather environments, the integration of advanced mooring systems such as turret or spread mooring systems provide stability and technologies enable real-time data collection, analysis, and control, enhancing operational efficiency. FPSO vessels are also mobile and can be deployed to different offshore oil fields as needed. This mobility and adaptability allows for the utilization of FPSOs in various locations, maximizing the recovery of hydrocarbon reserves from multiple fields. The ability to relocate and reposition these vessels makes them versatile assets in the offshore oil and gas industry. The Bellas 75-710. The drum truck is the size of a tennis court. This monster weighs almost 400 tons. Empty. Fully stocked up, the truck nears 900 tons. It's 32 feet wide, 67 feet long, and 26 feet, which means it's basically the size of a standard tennis court. The power? Well, this monster requires twin 2,300 horsepower diesel generators, similar to its smaller cousins, notably the 400-ton trucks made by Caterpillar, Bucyrus, and Liebherr. The Bellas lives and works in massive open-pit mines. Due to the fact it's made in Belarus, home to one of the most repressive governments on the planet, it's difficult to get anyone to talk about the Bellas, and you can only see one if you travel to Siberia. Komatsu D565, a dozer, primarily used by mine operators in the US, Canada, and Australia. This machine is the largest bulldozer in production and has been since 1991. It harbors a 1,150 horsepower engine and is able to move 90 cubic yards per pass. Liebherr 9800 mining excavator. The always impressive Liebherr, manufacturer of some colossal cranes, also built one of the largest bucket excavators with their R9800. Another machine typically used for mining, the 9800 weighs in at 1,785,700 pounds and has a bucket capacity of 62 cubic yards. You won't have any trouble digging out a pool for your back garden with this. Universal Alloy Corporation. Manufacturers in the world is making due to demand. The largest extrusion press in 2005. The 122-foot-long machine was originally built in Germany during the Second World War to make parts for aircraft, and at a weight of 16,000 tons, had to be completely disassembled before being transported. Then was refurbished before being put back together at the company's facility in Canton, Georgia. With this machine alone, the company has been able to triple their output and reduce the number of faults that occur, which has had a major impact on the availability of the components they produce and the price to the end customer. The Terex RH400 is the world's largest and most powerful hydraulic shovel used for mining. The shovel on its own weighs 80 tons and is able to lift weights of up to 85 tons, which means it can fill standard-size mining trucks in just 3 or 4 scoops. Amazingly, it's able to shift as much as 9,900 tons of material every hour, which is easily a world record for a machine like this. The hydraulic system in the RH400 contains 3,400 gallons of fluid and have several heating units to keep. It is warm, so it can operate virtually any condition. This also significantly increases its reliability, and most mines will use these 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As you'd expect from something that can ship so much material, the RH400 is a huge machine measuring 36 feet long and 28 feet wide. It's powered by two 16-cylinder Cat 351 6B engines, which provides 4,400 horsepower at 1,800 RPM. This allows the shovel to exert up to 3,300 kilonewtons of force against whatever it's trying to dig into it. It's an incredibly effective machine, particularly at large mines where it needs to move from one place to the next throughout the day, and is virtually guaranteed to increase the output of any operation. Large-scale 3D printers. These remarkable machines possess extraordinary capabilities, including the ability to create complex, customized, and large-scale objects with remarkable precision and efficiency, unlike traditional manufacturing methods that rely on assembly. More subtractive processes. 3D printing allows for the creation of complete objects in a single build. Large-scale 3D printers can produce objects ranging from furniture and architectural structures to automotive components and aerospace parts, provide unparalleled freedom in design and manufacturing, the precision and accuracy. Large-scale 3D printers are other key factors that contribute to the power. The machines utilize advanced printing technologies such as selective laser sintering (SLS) or fused deposition modeling (FIM) to create intricate objects layer by layer. The precision of these machines ensures the production of highly detailed and complex geometries, resulting in components with tight tolerances and exceptional surface finish. Large-scale 3D printers offer a significant time and cost savings compared to traditional manufacturing methods. The additive nature of 3D printing eliminates the need for extensive tooling and manual labor, reducing production lead times and labor costs. The ability to create objects with minimal material waste further enhance cost-effectiveness and sustainability. Large-scale 3D printers enable customization and flexibility in manufacturing. These machines can produce objects with unique designs tailored to specific requirements. They empower industries to create one-of-a-kind product, prototypes, and even patient-specific medical devices. The versatile quality of large-scale 3D printers allows for rapid iteration and design improvements, fostering innovation and accelerating product development cycles. Bucket wheel excavators. Bucket wheel excavators are colossal giants of the mining industry, possess unmatched strength, massive size, and exceptional productivity with their distinctive wheel-mounted buckets. Bucket wheel excavators are capable of extracting vast quantities of earth and minerals with remarkable efficiency. The sheer size of bucket wheel excavators is a testament to their power. These machines can reach staggering heights, often exceeding the height of a multi-story building, and stretch over 100 meters in length. Their immense scale allows them to cover a vast area in a single pass, maximizing productivity. The heart of a bucket wheel excavator lies in its bucket wheel mechanism, equipped with numerous large buckets mounted on a rotating wheel. These excavators can effectively scoop up vast amounts of material in a continuous operation. The buckets, which are typically equipped with cutting edges or teeth, cut into the ground or ore deposits, gathering the material and transferring it to a conveyor system for further transport. This ingenious mechanism enables the bucket wheel excavator to excavate large quantities of material in a highly efficient and systematic manner. These machines can extract tens of thousands of tons of material per hour, making them indispensable for large-scale open-pit mining operations. Another aspect that contributes to the power of the bucket wheel excavator is its mobility. These machines can move on tracks or crawlers, allowing them to be repositioned as mining operations progress. This mobility, combined with their ability to operate on various terrains, makes bucket wheel excavators adaptable to different mining environments, from flat plains to rugged landscapes. Furthermore, bucket wheel excavators feature advanced automation and control systems. Operators can remotely control the excavation process, ensuring precise digging depths and optimizing productivity. The integration of sensors, monitoring systems, and real-time data analysis further enhances efficiency, enabling operators to detect anomalies, optimize bucket fill rates, and minimize downtime. The impact of bucket wheel excavators on the mining industry are undeniable. They have revolutionized large-scale mining operations by increasing productivity, reducing labor requirements, and optimizing extraction processes. Their exceptional power size and efficiency enabled the mining industry to extract resources on a massive scale, meeting the growing demands of various sectors, such as energy and manufacturing. Number 8. Floating production storage. Epipoch drum cutter. The spinning set of teeth makes quick work of hard clay, rock, and concrete, which is used to remove debris. It's useful in applications from the preparation of lands for projects to demolition, making it useful in a multitude of sites. Diamond mower stump grinder. When a tree is cut down or is broken down from harsh weather or otherwise having rotten and fallen a stump. Of course, remained stumps not only take away from the aesthetics of a space, but can get in the way of buildings and even planting new trees. Thus, a stump remover like this one can be employed. It eases the spinning saw with specialized teeth in a similar way to some of the other machines that we've seen on this list, cutting away the material to completely remove the offender. Eagle Mine Dynamic Compaction. Dynamic compaction from the Menard Group, a crude yet effective device that works to compact loose soil with a crane and weight setup. It drops directly on top of the soil after lifting it dozens of feet into the air. Not too many moving parts except for the large weight compressing the soil at number 2. We have a truly incredible piece of mining machinery, the PNH 4100 mining shovel. Here, it can be seen cutting out several tons of rock and dumping them onto an even larger dump trucks are to be taken off-site and processed. It is a heavy-duty process and at this scale takes humongous pieces of machinery weighing several hundred tons apiece. Tayson crane. The Tayson gantry crane is one of the largest cranes in the world and holds a Guinness World Record for sheer lifting power. In fact, it holds 3 titles for the first, second, and third heaviest lifts in the world. These are 20,133 metric tons, 17,100 metric tons, and 14,000 tons. It is used at the Yantai Raffles shipyard in the Shandong province in China. The Tayson was built to install very heavy integrated modules on a vessel's hull and often works on semi-submersibles in the drilling sector. Its advancements made the construction of these vessels more efficient and a shorter project time overall. Besides the Guinness World Record, it also earned the spotlight on new technology from the Offshore Technology Conference in 2008. At the same conference, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers awarded the Tayson the Woelfel Best Mechanical Engineering Achievement Award. That's all about today's video. If you like this video, thumbs up and share it with your family and friends to make their feeds interesting. Take care until next time with another amazing video that you must check out. Goodbye till next time.